For today's video guys, ayan, kakatapos ko lang maligo and look, ayan, meron akong dumating na parcel guys, nagulat ako, may kumatok sa pintuan guys, akala ko kung sino na, ayan, meron pala akong parcel na dumating guys, so bubuksan na natin, ano kaya ito, ayan, I'm so excited of this guys, OMG, ano kaya ito, ayan guys, ayan, oh my god, ayan guys, ito na pala yung aking in-order guys. Oh my god. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan yung aking mga paboritong color guys. Ayan po. Talaga namang I'm so excited of this guys. OMG. Tingnan natin. Parang ang laki niya guys. Oh my god. Parang ang laki niya. Ayan guys, ito na yung aking in-order. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys, a red color, oh my god. Ayan, I'm so excited of this guys. Excited na akong i-fit siya guys. Later, abangan niyo yung aking pag-upload nito guys. Ayan, abangan niyo yung aking pag-upload nito. Ayan, it's a green color. Ayan guys. Parang malaki siya. Ayan po. Ang in-order ko po ay ano tong in-order ko I want to show you my new Again, the black one, guys. Another black one. Yeah. Guys, yung aking likuran. I really love it. Back. So siya, guys. I really love it. And my fashion siya. I really love black color guys. That's why ayan po. I know ayan. So, this is what swam set to take it. Guys, back. That's it for today.
Oh no!
I want to show you my
Wow.
bikinis. And guys, the color. I really love it. And guys, pag napakyan siya guys. Three pieces to siya guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ang next natin is color black siya guys. Ayan o. I really love it. Pag napakyan. I love it. The black one guys. Look. So very nice. I love it. Pag. Ayan yung ating likod. Guys, medyo nag-shake na yung ating likod guys. Ayan, konting exercise na lang. Ayan po, I really love it. Ayan. Wow! Pag yan.
Oh no!
The next guys is color blue. Look guys, the color blue. I really love it. Yes. Guys, ayan. Pack na pa. Guys, for only 240 pesos. Ayan, I really love it. So, this is my bikinis, guys. I really love it.